So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under recovery options, you're going to click on reset PC. And now this will come up. Now we have two options right here. We have keep my files and we have remove everything. If you go with keep my files, it's going to remove your apps and settings, but it's going to keep your personal files. If you go remove everything, it's going to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Before we go ahead with this, I recommend backing up all your personal files to an external drive. Even if you go with this option that says keep my files, I would still recommend backing up your important files to an external drive. For this tutorial, I'm going to be going with remove everything. Wait for this to load, and now this will come up. How would you like to reinstall Windows? We could either do a cloud download or a local install. I'm going to be doing a local install. And now it's going to be showing us our current settings. So right now for me it says it's going to remove apps and files and it's not going to clean the drive, and it has some more settings right here. So if you want to change any of these settings, then you want to click on change settings. And then once we're here, in my case under clean data, it says just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. This is the setting that's currently set to right now. It says no right here, so if I turn this to yes, the setting will now change. It's now going to be clean the drive. This may take hours, but will make it harder to recover files. So if you set this to yes, this is going to be the option. If you set it to no, this will be the option. So the option is going to change depending on what you select. This is going to be the same for the other options right here. If you click on yes, the options are going to change. If you click on no, the options are going to change again. So choose what you want. Once you're happy with all this, you're going to click on confirm. And now your current settings are going to appear here again. And if you're fine with all of this, then you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And now it's going to be saying ready to reset PC. It's going to tell you what's going to happen, so resetting will do all of this. There may also be some notes right here that you can read. If you're fine with all of this, you're going to click on reset. It's then going to reset your Dell laptop back to factory settings.